Hey guys, welcome back to Combusting Claw. If you don't remember, in my previous mystery box video, I promised you guys if I could get 5 likes in that video, I would do another mystery box opening, $100 one, and you guys hit 6 likes, so thank you for that, guys. And as I promised, I got a $100 mystery box right here. This one's a bit big, the box is a bit bigger than that one, and it's a bit heavier too, so I'm excited to see what is inside and if the stuff inside it are worth $100 or not. So with that being said, let's get right into it. First, we're gonna have to open it, and also, as I mentioned in my last video, if you guys are interested in getting this, I have the link in the description down below. Guys, just came from opening it, and let's see what's inside. What? Guys, if you were me right now and you could see what I could see, you'd be really disappointed. There's nothing in here. There was probably more stuff in that box than in this box, but we'll see what we get, okay? So what should I take out first? First is just this like, I don't know what the heck this is. I think it's like a Chinese has Chinese writing all over. I think it's like a Chinese Beyblade or something like that. So old. As you can see, the box is already like torn up. We'll just put that there. What else do we get? We also get fidget spinners in this one. We got 3 of them. There's a metallic blue and black, a camouflage black and white one, something like that. And we also get this mini 2-sider one, metal one. Pretty sick. And what else? There's also a fidget cube, which is really old. I'm not really a fan of fidget cubes. I don't know what the point of them are. Yeah. And then there's also this. Let me just check what this is, please. They're actually camera lenses. You can fit them on your camera, and then they can turn into fisheye, or wide lens, or macro lens. It's pretty sick. This is the fisheye one. There's also the macro and the thing in here, so that's pretty sick. What else? There's this. It's like a ball. Let me just see. It says warning all over it, so I'm not sure. I think. Oh yeah, this is the shocking ball, but you have to turn it on. So not gonna shock me right now. Put that down. Oops. And we got headphones, pretty good. And we have this. It's a USB Type-C. Okay, this actually costs a lot, so that's pretty good. Actually wanted one of these for the Chromebook. So if you guys want an extra charger for the Chromebook, that it will be in my giveaway. You might get this. Whoever wins the Chromebook though. And the last thing, just like the other box, the last thing was kind of like a drone. This one is an actual drone. That's all in this box. Let's just see what we got. This is an actual drone. Let's try turning it on. Oh, okay. Let's try. Oh, that's pretty sick, guys. That's pretty sick. So that's all in that box. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a drone, USB Type-C charger, headphones, shocking ball. Can play hot potato with that. 3 fidget spinners with a fidget cube, old Beyblade, and camera lenses. So is all of this worth $100? Let's see. This is pretty. This is probably like 30. This is 32. That's 60 plus everything else. I think it's around $80 for everything here. So it's not exactly worth like $100, but it's still pretty good. I guess. Is it kind of worth it? I don't know. You guys comment down below and say mention if it's worth it or not. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so yeah, that's all for this video, guys. If you guys liked this video, if we could get 10 likes this time, I will do another mystery box because you guys really like the last one. So I will be doing another mystery box opening, maybe a $200 one, maybe a $1,000 one. It's whichever one you guys choose. So yeah. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway once I reach 500k subscribers or 50k views, whichever comes first. If you guys want to enter to that giveaway, there's a link in the description for a chance to win. And if there's gonna be a Chromebook, a PS4, and two $50 Amazon gift cards, so 4 people could win. So if you would just in the comment down below, write which one you want and why you want it, and yeah, you'll be most likely to win the giveaway. And if you guys did not know, I have a new website for my YouTube channel, and I will be posting information, the latest information, and also I'll be posting my new videos that came out on that website too. So go check that out. It'll be also in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.